die young and I believe it. Stunting hard, got niggas throwing up like they believe me. Little brick bandit, fuck, I'm what the block needed. And I'm in my zone like the first time read it. OG whisper something but far from a secret. He told me don't abuse the game and never mistreat it. I'm nasty with the whip game, I put it on my nieces. It's like pussy and eggs, it's all how you beat it. It don't take much for a nigga like me to cock it. Run a payment and pop it. Nigga, it's on. I hustle for more than profit. Nigga, that's not the topic. You pussy, you need to stop it. Whenever it's drawn, never shaking up when I'm bucking, nigga. I keep the hammer still. It's the G behind the flag to make the bandana real. Start with the wrong motherfucker, get your banana pill. We don't fuck with stitches and pictures, you get your camera fill. Fuck talking, I'ma show them how I rap often. Shoot great, run with the bird like Boston. And I love flossing, proceed with caution. I'ma spend the money, my nigga, fuck what it's costing. Love the hate, so I pull a piff while I'm coughing. And I'm always fresh like I'm lying in the coffin. And I go hard in, I'm balling like Spalding. Holds the rap Jordan, I guess I'm like Foreman. Box my way out, give me props, I bang out. So many bloods on my strip, my block is stained out. You better get your lay on when I get my spray on, cause you won't get hit with bullets the size of crayons. Name Roy Red and I ain't here for the chit chat. Slugs from the pump will break niggas like Kit Kats. Who want war to 38 with my dick at? So it's easy to grab and I don't gotta click clack. I love pussy, you a homo nigga. And I throw a bullet harder than that Romo nigga. And I always been a G, check my promo nigga. Tattletailing in the streets is a no-no nigga.